How to insert a new CTG paper roll or change a CTG paper roll in Fetal Lite printer. Press the eject door button on the printer. Pull the paper holder back to remove the old paper roll. Take a new paper roll and make sure the printing side is facing outwards. Press the eject door button on the printer. Now pull the paper holder back and insert the new paper roll. Check the printer door and turn on the printer. Now press the advance button to check the alignment of the paper roll. For any service and customer support, please reach out to info@InnAccel.com or 8050 421 876.